Sri Lanka and Aurum Parks in collaboration with Shell for sale of petroleum products here in Sri Lanka. Aurum and gas industry along with Aurum Parks Inc. an experienced distributor of Aurum Parks Limited will rebrand Shell stations to their network. Now building on Shell's global service to Sri Lankan consumers. Now additionally, the customers will benefit.
Good morning, Agawan Barakum, distinguished guests and friends. It's great to join you here today to celebrate this exciting new chapter in Sri Lanka's energy sector. A partnership that brings together Aurum Parks, a renowned American family company with a rich history in fuel distribution, and Shell, a name synonymous with quality and innovation. Thanks especially to our visitors from Aurum Parks, TriStar, and Shell. Now, Aurum Parks is from my home state of California, and I grew up buying fuel at the Shell fuel sheds all around my state. We call them gas stations in America. Now together, we celebrate a momentous occasion, the grand opening of the first Aurum Parks and TriStar Fuel Shell-branded fuel shed in Sri Lanka in over 6 decades. Great to have our British friends here with us. This event is not merely the inauguration of a service station. It's a rekindling of a relationship. Half a century ago, Shell fuel sheds were a familiar sight all across this beautiful island. The Shell emblem, as you see here today, stood as a beacon of quality and trust, symbolizing progress and connection. Now, as Aurum Parks began as a small operation in Portersville, California in 1969, Aurum Parks and his wife Clarice made a bold decision to purchase fuel business and build it from the ground up. Their journey embodies the essence of the American dream, starting with humble beginnings and growing into a thriving multi-generational enterprise through hard work, perseverance, and commitment to building a strong relationship with both employees and customers. Today, Aurum Parks is a 3-generation family business, I'm proud to say, rooted in a small farming town in California. It's a true American entrepreneurial story. Farmers who entered the fuel business then grew a family and a company at the same time. Now, Aurum Parks' grandchildren grew up riding in trucks with their fathers, making fuel deliveries to farmers. The fuel powered the farms and businesses that are the backbone of American prosperity. Aurum Parks now serves more than 240 locations all across California, continuing to honor its legacy of excellence. This partnership with Shell is not just a business venture. It's an example of how American ingenuity and values can drive innovation and create lasting impact both locally and globally. Today, as we cut the ribbon, we are opening a new chapter in the Aurum Parks fuel distribution story. The collaboration between Aurum Parks and Shell is a testament to the enduring bonds between the United States and Sri Lanka. It reflects our shared commitment to fostering economic growth, enhancing energy security, building prosperity throughout the Indo-Pacific region. In alignment with President Trump's vision of making America safer, stronger, and more prosperous, today's event reinforces the United States as a global energy leader. And by investing in Sri Lanka's energy infrastructure, we are not only strengthening supply chains, but also advancing the ties that bind our two nations. Today's opening also highlights Sri Lanka's openness to foreign investment and to maintaining a level playing field for all businesses. This opening is great for all Sri Lankan drivers, motorcyclists, cars, tuk-tuk drivers, truck drivers. Adding competitors to the market gives them more quality and product options. And the convenience stores you see here will provide snack and essentials to a society that's always on the go. So here's to the success of this venture and the many opportunities it will bring for Sri Lanka's energy future. Thank you.
Okay, organize first the photographers. Sure.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all put our hands together as we witness the historic moment of fueling the first vehicle at the station. Alright, so obviously to capture this memorable moment with a group.